The story behind this home is about a family that has moved actually to the countryside instead of living in the city. I think that's a dream for a lot of people. And so it's a family of 5. It's 2 grown-ups and 3 kids, and they are 2 and 4 and 6 years old. Today I will talk about how to create a home that can be for the whole family. It should be safe, but also really cozy, and is fantastic to live in. A safe home is crucial for living with children, and it doesn't have to be so hard. What I thought about in this home about safety is, of course, the children's bedroom, because they are just up till 6, and I think that's the most crucial years where a lot of things can happen, because they are really curious and want to climb on everything. I made sure in the kids' bedroom that all the high furnitures are attached to the wall. And of course, no cables should be loose, and for extra secure, you can use these window latches. And of course, toys are super important, and at IKEA every toy is secured and tested, and has sometimes also a double function, as this cute little rabbit like this. In this home, all the common areas are really important. I used fewer furnitures, but maybe a little bit larger, that creates this family-friendly feeling. Instead of the 2 small sofas, I have used a large sofa that can be used for many different things. For hangout, for watching movies, for playing, for sleepovers, you name it. I think it's super important for kids to learn to be independent, and that's what parents and grown-ups can help them with. In the hallway, for example, I did hang a hook rail on their height so they can reach and hang their own clothes. I also created different activity areas for the kids, especially in the living room and in the dining area. One for planting, one for painting, one for reading, and even playing piano. Children are the most important people in the world, and by creating a better home where kids can feel secure, can be able to play and be themselves, I really do think they can get a better life.